Just click and drag any vocal. Hi, my name is AJ and I'm here to introduce you to CIRCINUS, the one-shot kit I created for myself first and for you guys to use it. And let me tell you the reason why you should use CIRCINUS. I worked on the one-shots for months and I created each and every individual sound with the mindset of the modern mainstream music, inspired by the soul R&B vintage sound and the trap with the ethnic and the cinematic samples. And it can work for any other genre, as you heard. I recorded over 60 catchy vocals, from runs to chops to dry ones, and they all labeled with key and auto stretch to any ppm, and you can easily just drag them and manipulate them however you want to make them your own. Usually one-shot kits have maximum of 150 sound, but I put over 350 sound in CIRCINUS so we can have more options and not get bored of using the same sounds again and again. And if you want a discount code, you can go to my latest video on my YouTube channel and you will get that discount in the description, and that's a plug for my channel as well.